Hello everyone, I'm Nix and you're watching Nix UI UX. So today we'll be creating a web-based UI which looks like this. You can see on the screen. So let's get started. So first I have chosen a web-based artboard and adding a padding of 100 on left, right and top of the side. And now I'll choose a text and write a text on the screen. I've chosen the color. Let me write sign up here. So sign up. So let's align it as per the margin. So next what we'll do is choose a rectangular tool, create a rectangle beside the text and remove the fill so that we can see it. So now just adjust the radius of the rectangle so that it looks like a rounded rectangle. So let me align the text to the center of that rectangle. Yeah, it's done. So now I'll group both together and adjust it as per the margin. Now I'll just double click on the rectangular and select the and I'll fill it with the color. Let me just get this. Okay, so I've selected the color. I'll just check the fill box, and actually the text is behind the rectangle, so we'll go to the layers and move the text on top of the rectangle. So now yeah, you can see it's ready. So okay, removing the border. Now I'll just duplicate it, copy paste and just move it to the left side. Okay, so here I'll just remove the rectangle, change the color of the text and edit the text and write login. So done. Okay, so now I'll copy the login text and make two more tabs as per the requirement. I'll just duplicate it again. Okay, so now I'll edit the text, edit the menu. Oh, sorry, yeah, I'll just duplicate the text. It is login and I'll just write exercise. Select the text first. Now write exercise. Yeah, done. And I'll just change this login to home. So I'll just double click it and change it to home. So now we have the menu ready. Now the next thing is I'll just align these three menus together. Let me select these three, and you can see the top tool on the right side, and yeah, we have aligned this to center and we'll align it to center of the sign up button also. So now we'll go to the components and yeah, I'll paste the image here. So yeah, let's align it to so that it looks better. Now I'll just take a rectangular tool and create a rectangular around that component image that we have just added. So I've added the rectangle and I'll just remove the fill so that I can just see it once. I'll just add the fill again. Now I'll double click it so that we can change the bounds of the rectangle, and I'll just adjust the corners of the rectangle. So like you can see I'm just doing that, so like removing it. So actually what I want to achieve here is I'll just make it a little bit curvy so it looks a bit better. So I'll just added I just added an arc, and I'll add it in arc 2. Double click on that point and you'll just it will from the line it will be converted into the arc. So yeah, okay, so now it's done. So I'll just extend it from the top. Okay, now I'll just fill it with the color that we have right now. It just don't look nice, so I'll just change the color. I'll make it a bit light. As you can see, there's a certain illusion. So I'll just double click it and go to the colors, and I'll click on edit. Then let's pick that yellow color that you can see on the bottom and just move it to the light yellow side, and yeah, you can see it looks much better than previous one. So now what we need is let's write a text. So okay, with the text tool I'm writing let we help you breathe. Okay, let's move breathe to the next line and let's align this to left. Okay, so it's too uh, small. Let's increase the size to bit more, 70. Let's make it 80. Yeah, much better. I'll change this to Montserrat. Now I'll change the color of the breed. Okay, no, caps not looks better, so I'll keep it that only. And okay, I'll change the color of the breed, and I'll just align that text to the margin that we have added previously. So now we need another text of description below that, and I'll just change that font to 30, much better. And I'll make, let me just select it again. Okay, so let's write some text here. Grow your immune system and control over yourself by practicing yoga. So it's pretty cool, yeah. Okay, so I'll just make the text regular, and I'll just adjust some of the height and padding of the text, the vertical gap. Okay, so seems like good. Let me just edit it some more. Like a bit of a decent gap makes the design look breathable, and it doesn't look messy. Now I'll duplicate the sign up button and add it to the bottom of the description, and change the text to contact us. Since the background is a little bit smaller, so I'll extend it a bit, and let's zoom in. Okay, the background seems like it is compressed, so I'll just increase the height a bit so it looks much better. Now I'll move the contractors to the center again. Yeah, it looks pretty decent, right? So okay, now since it is the bold, I'm planning to change the text to bold when I hover the mouse, so I'm making it regular for now. Okay, so I'll just add the meditation logo that I have right now and add it to the top left corner of the menu bar that we have right now, and like we'll see the height. Okay, okay, it looks pretty decent. In the next video, I'm planning to animate this video by using on hover effects. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do so, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit like button if you like this video. And thank you so much.